transparent or inverted text effect in VN editor, and I'm going to show you two methods, one using the plain text and another uses auto captions. Open VN Editor app, click on plus button, click on new project and select any edit mode. Click on save and select the video for which you want to create this effect. Click on next and the project will start. VN Editor automatically adds a video at the end, so just go to the end, click on delete to delete that video and move the playhead at the start. So in the first method, I will tap on text button, go to text and I will select add a heading and I will just write any text. So in this case, I'm going to write transparent. Then go to the font to adjust the font. Here I'm going to select Molot. Then if I go to the next tab where I can adjust the size of the text like this, go to color tab. Here make sure that there is no stroke. So no stroke is selected, there is no shadow and there is no background. And for the text, it is very important that you keep the color of the text white. Then go to the next tab. It is about formatting. We want the text in the middle of the screen, so I will click on the middle position and it is now at the middle. Click OK. I will split this text into two because I want to show you transparent as well as inverted text. I will click on the split button here. First, we will see how you can create the transparent effect. While the first part of the text is selected, click on blending and here you need to select overlay, or you can also select soft light. So both will give you the effect of transparency. Click OK. Now I will go to the second text. I will edit and make it inverted instead of transparent. And I will go to the size. I will increase the size, go to the position tab and click on the middle position. Click OK. I do not want to apply it to all the text, so I will just cancel it and again go to the blending option. And here for inverted text you need to select difference or exclusion. So both will give you this effect. With difference and exclusion you get inverted text effect. Click OK, and that's how you can do it using the text itself. Auto captions method will work if your project has a dialog or voiceover. When the video is selected, then you can scroll at the bottom and you will see the option called auto captions. Tap on it and here you need to select base because we want to do it, let's say, locally. And under the caption language you can go and select the language if you already know. In my case it's English, so I will select English. Click on convert and it will take some time and convert it to the text. And as you can see, this is exactly what I have spoken, transparent or inverted text effect tutorial. Click done. Here you can see it is a single line, but I want only one word to appear at once. So what I will do, I will select the captions and then click on edit. Now to split the sentence into single words, tap anywhere on this and just click on the split button at the bottom. It will be splitted. Do it for each and every word and then click on done. Now you can see these are only single words. At the bottom you will see different options. Go to font, again select Molot, then go to size of the text. You can increase the size a little bit. Go to color and like I told you, the text color should be white, but for stroke you need to select none. Go to shadow, make sure nothing is applied here. Then go to the position of the text and click on middle so that all the text are in the middle of the screen. Click OK. And as we did the change to the first text, I think it will be done for all the text automatically. Now while the first text is selected, you can go to the blending option. Here you can select either overlay if you want to make it transparent, or you can select difference or exclusion depending upon your style of the text. Either you can click on apply to all if you want to apply the same style to all the text, and if you want to select different style, then obviously you just need to click on OK button here. But I'm going to select apply to all because I want to have the same effect for all the words from the caption. And that's how you can create transparent or inverted text effect using the VN editor app. If you like today's tutorial, then please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel. You can write down in the comment section if you want more tutorials related to the VN editor, InShot or CapCut. I will try to make them. Thank you for watching and stay safe and stay healthy.